Don't skip this video if you're planning to learn backend. In today's video, I'm going to share complete resource related to backend, like some good books, PDFs, and as well as I have curated some good playlists which can be very helpful to getting started. Okay, before starting the video, if you're new to this channel and you're looking for off-campus placement material, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon because you'll get all the latest resources for your placement. On yesterday's video, I have shared placement handwritten notes where you'll get written notes for CS fundamental subjects like OOPS, DBMS, operating system, software engineering, and many more. You will also get handwritten notes for system design, data structure, and algorithm. Check out the description. You'll get the link. Now, talking about the resources for backend, here you will get all the books and PDFs added in the drive. But I have created a blog where I have added all these books. These are PDF books links. Also, I have added playlist because many people like to study through video form. So here you will get the video playlist where they teach you as well. They will do a demo project. So it's a good learning. But I will also recommend to go through the books because through books you learn a lot, and it's a good practice when you read something. It makes you more creative. Okay. So here you have ASP.NET Core book where you'll get all the topics, the little ASP.NET Core book. Okay. You can download and start studying. Then you have web development with Node.js. Okay. Download and start building an API. This is also very good resource. Please go through it because API is very important if you are doing backend. If you don't know, then आपको कुछ नहीं आता. ठीक है. Then you have ASP.NET MVC4, Django. Then you have Spring Boot in action. This is also very good book. If you're learning Java, then I would recommend go with Spring Boot as a backend. If you're learning Python, then go on Django or Flask. So check out all these books. The links is added in this blog and the playlist. अगर आपको डाउट है कि आप कौन सा बैकएंड चूज करो, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try to resolve your queries. Okay. And other resources which can be very helpful is that here you have roadmaps, like roadmaps for different like placement roadmap, aptitude, DSA, system design, JavaScript, React. Here you have Java developer roadmap as well as machine learning. And I also have added a backend. I think I have added backend roadmap here. Here you have the backend roadmap here where you will get the list of all the backend languages or framework through which you can learn backend, like for Python, for JavaScript, for Java, Ruby, .NET. So I have added more important playlist. And then you have master backend frameworks जो कि आप कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे भी मैंने edit किया है playlist. ठीक है. And some other skills like database में क्या क्या आना चाहिए, APIs में क्या क्या आना चाहिए, security authentication. ठीक है. So go check it out. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Please, if this video was helpful, do like and comment because this will motivate me to bring more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.